Listen tayo. Our Mother.
Holy your name, your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher Mary Jane. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
Okay, class, before you take your seats, kindly pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you may now take your seats.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, class, I will not check your attendance for now because the quiz we will have later will serve as your attendance. I am clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, before we proceed to our proper discussion, I want to check first if you truly understand what was our topic last meeting. Okay, class? Who among you here can remember what was our topic last meeting? Yes, Jessa?
It's all about fraction, teacher.
Okay. Okay, our topic last meeting is all about the fractions and multiplication. Okay, who can give me an example of fractions? Yes, Maan?
1/2, teacher.
Okay, very good. Another one. Yes, Nadsla?
2/3, teacher.
Okay, very good. How about this one, class? 2 times 3. Yes, Anneli.
6, teacher.
How about this? 6 times 2. Yes, Pacquiao.
Love teacher.
Okay, 12. Since you already mastered our previous lesson, since you didn't have a questions or clarification, before we proceed to our proper discussion, let's have an activity first. Okay? This time, class, I will present the problem. And what you are going to do is, I will divide you into 2 groups. Okay? And I will give each group the whole circle of paper that represents a cake. And what you are going to do, class, is you are going to cut this using the scissors that I provide so that we will answer the given questions. Okay, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay, now class, please gather your group. But before you start to answer that one, class, kindly please read the given problem.
Teacher MJ brought home 2 plates of chocolate cake. She sliced every cake into 1/4. How many pieces did teacher MJ slice the cake into?
Okay, class, you may now start. And I will give you 3 minutes to finish that activity. Then if you're done, class, you can paste your answer here in front. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this time, I am going to check your answer. Okay, the first one is teacher MJ brought home divided by 1/4. We have 2. Then we're going to, let's put the whole number over 1. We're going to change the division sign into multiplication. Then we're going to flip this one. Okay, 2 times 4, which is 8. And 1 times 1, we have 1 more 8. Okay, therefore, Teacher MJ slice the cake, and Teacher MJ has sliced the cake into 8 pieces. So let's check the answer of the one. Can you count, class?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, correct. Okay, class, give me 5 claps to group 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now let's proceed to group 2. Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
okay, group 2 is correct also. And give them 5 claps also.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, class, this activity is very important. It is because it is related to our new discussion today. Okay, who among you here, or do you have an idea, class, what was our topic this afternoon all about? Based on the activity that I give this morning? Yes, Annalyn?
I think, teacher, our topic for this morning is all about division fractions.
Okay, very good. Our topic this morning is all about the division of fractions. But before that, class, kindly read our objectives.
At the end of the 60-minute period, the learners will be able to divide simple fractions, whole number, and mixed number.
Okay, but before that, what is division of fraction mean? Okay, I am the one to read. Okay, division of fractions is a mathematical operation that involves one fraction by another fraction. And on how to solve division of fractions, there are 3 steps that we are going to find. But before that, class, we're going to focus first here on how to divide a simple fractions in division of fraction. Let's focus here on the class. Okay, the first step here on how to divide fraction, the first step we have, keep the first fraction the way it is, change the division sign to multiplication, flip the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. Then the step 2, class, is we're going to multiply the fractions. And the step 3 is we're going to simplify the result if needed. Okay, class. For example,
Multiply the fractions.
Okay, we're going to multiply the fractions. So we can multiply straight across. What does it teacher? Okay? Numerator, we can multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. We have 1 times 3 class, we have
3.
Okay, 4 times 2 class, we have
8.
Okay, we have 8. What is the step 3 class?
Simplify the result if needed.
Okay, 3 over 8 class. This is our final answer or not?
Final answer.
Okay, final answer. It is because wala na yung number na pwede ma-divide both sa lahat which is sa lahat ng numerator o denominator. So therefore, 1/4 divided by 2/3, the result is 3/8. How about this one class? We have 2/6 divided by 1/2. The first step, we're going to keep the first fraction the way it is. So we're going to keep 2/6. Then we're going to change the division sign to multiplication. Then we're going to flip the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. So our numerator here will becomes our denominator and our denominator will becomes a numerator. So we have 2 over 1. After that class, what is the step 2? Can you read?
Multiply the fractions.
Okay, we're going to multiply the fractions, which is numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, 2 times 2 plus we have
4.
Okay. 6 times 1,
6.
8. We have 6. This is our final answer, class or not?
No.
What is the step 3?
Simplify the result if needed.
We're going to simplify. Okay, class, what is the number na pwede ma-divide sa atong numerator o denominator? 2 over 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2, we have 2. We have 2. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. We have 3. So this is our final answer. So therefore, 2/6 divided by 1/2, the result will be the 2/3. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
What if I have this one? I have 2/5 divided by 4/3. We're going to, the first step that we are going to do is we're going to okay, if not, kung saan ang number na pwede ma-divide sa ilalim ha? 2. We have 2. Then after that, we're going to divide. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 3. 20 divided by 2, 10. We have 10. So therefore, this is our final answer. So 2/5 divided by 4/3, the answer will be that 3 over 10. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, since you understand and how to solve the simple fractions or fraction by fraction, and now I'm going to call the two person that to solve here in front. But if I have two once. Yes, Jessa, come here in front. Then the second. Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Let's check if the answer of our classmate is correct. Okay, we have 1/2 divided by 3, 1. Okay, the first first fraction the way it is. Then she changed the division sign into a multiplication. Then she flipped the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. After that, she do multiply the fractions. 1 times 1 we have 1, 2 times 3 we have 6. So this is the final answer. Okay, kids, ang ganda answer any class?
Yes.
Okay, give her 3 claps. Okay, the second one, 2/4 divided by 1. The first thing that she do is she kept the first fraction the way it is. Then she changed the division sign to multiplication. Then she flipped the second fraction so it becomes her reciprocal. And after that, she multiplied the fractions. 2 times, so we have 2, 4 times, then we have 12. Then after that, like pwede pa man siya ma-simplify. So, i-simplify niya into 2. So therefore, 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 12 divided by 2, we have 6. So therefore, her answer is correct. Kasi nag-answer gani ang
Teacher.
Okay, different class formaan. Do you understand class or you have a questions on how to solve simple fractions or fractions by fractions in division of fractions class?
Yes, teacher.
Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, since you understand already on how to solve simple fraction in division of fraction, let's proceed to the whole number. Okay, what if I have here? If I have 2/3 divided by 2. So therefore, dili pa nato siya ma-solve. It is because then we have na siya whole number. So what we are going to do is we're going to put a whole number over 1. We have 2/3 then divided by 2. Then we're going to put a whole number over 1. So we have 1. So therefore, kay fraction naman siya, dili naman siya whole number. So we can use that 3 steps on how to solve a whole number. Okay, class, what is the first step?
Keep the first fraction the way it is.
We're going to keep the first fraction the way it is. We have 2/3. Then change the division sign to multiplication. Then after that, flip the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. So we're going to flip this one. We have 1/2. Then after that, class, we're going to multiply the fractions, which is numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay? 2 times 1, class. 2. We have 2. 3 times 2, 6. We have 6. This is our final answer, class, or not?
Non-teacher.
Okay. If not, what is the answer, class? I mean, unsay number na pwede ma-divide both sides sa ilahan doon sa numerator or denominator? We have 2. Very good. Okay, 2 divided by 2, we have
1.
6 divided by 2, we have
3.
Okay, we have 3. So this is our final answer. Okay, therefore, 2/3 divided by 2, the answer will be 1/3. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, how about this one? Can you read this, class, in the first step?
Keep the first fraction the way it is.
Okay, we're going to keep the first fraction the way it is. But before that, class, kaya hindi pa man natin siya ma-solve. It is because there is a whole number. So, buhatin sa natin siyang fraction para we can follow the 3 steps. We have 3/4 divided by going to simplify, we're going to multiply the fractions, or we're going to multiply the numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, class, 3 times 1, we have
3.
3. 4 times 3,
12.
we have 12. This is our final answer, class, or not?
Not.
Not. It is because not. So, what's the number na pwede ma-divide sa lahat? 3. And after that, we're going to divide. 3 divided by 3, class. We have 1. 12 divided by 3, 4. We have 4. So, this is our final answer. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Since you understand on how to solve the whole number in division of fractions, I'm going to call one person to answer here in front. Okay, yes, Annalyn. This one. Quiet class. Sorry, teacher. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. We have 1/2 divided by 3. Okay, the first thing she do is she put the whole number over 1. Then after that, nahin mo na siyang fraction. Then she followed the 3 steps. Which is she keep the first fraction the way it is. She changed the division sign to multiplication. Then she flipped the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. Then after that, she multiplied the fractions. 1 times 1, we have 1. 2 times 3, we have 6. So Annalyn got correct answer. Okay, give her 5 claps. Okay, do you understand, class?
Yes,
teacher. Okay. Let's proceed to the mixed number. Okay, we have here 4 and 4/5 divided by 2 and 3/4. So what we are going to do first, class, it is because mixed number siya, so we can't follow the 3 steps that we are going to do. The first thing na tumuhatol is we're going to make this one into a proper fraction or improper fraction. So, we're going to convert mixed number into improper fraction. So, dito ang saon man. So, we have 4 and 4/5 divided by 2 and 3/4. We're going to multiply. Okay, we're going to multiply our denominator to our whole number, and we're going to add the numerator. Okay, we have 5 times 4, class.
20.
We have 20. Then 20 plus 4.
24.
We have 24. Then copy the denominator, which is 5. Then we're going to do that again. Then same process. We have 4 times 2. 8 plus 3. 11. Over 4. Okay? 2 over 5 is equivalent to 4 and 4 over 5. Then 11 over 4 is equivalent to 2 and 3/4. Then after that, kaya nanin mo naman ito siya improper fraction, so we can follow the 3 steps. Okay, class, what is that? The first step again?
Keep the first fraction the way it is. Change the division sign to multiplication. Flip
denominator. Okay? 24 times 4 class we have
96.
We have 96. Then 5 times 11 we have
55.
We have 55. Okay class, this is our final answer or not?
Delete teacher.
Okay, delete. And this is improper
Fraction.
fraction. Okay, we're going to convert this one. We're going to convert improper fraction to our mixed number. Okay, we're going to divide it on. We have 96 divided by 55. Okay, 96 divided by 55 plus we have 1. Then after that, we're going to multiply. 1 times 55, we have
55.
55. Then after that, 1 plus, we're going to subtract. Okay? 6 minus 5, we
1.
have 1. 9 minus 5, we have 4. Okay, therefore, our answer is
1.
141
over
55. Okay, this is our final answer, class. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's proceed to another example. Okay, class, I have here 4 and 3 over 4 divided by 2 and 1 over 3. Okay, we're going to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. Then after that, we're going to use the 3 steps on how to divide and how to solve the mixed number. Okay, we have 4 and 3/4 divided by 2 and 1/3. Okay, we're going to multiply our numerator to our whole number. Okay, class, we have 4 times 4, 16 plus 3,
19.
We have 19, then copy the denominator, which is 4. After that one class, let's proceed to the second fraction. We have 2 times, 3 times 2 plus
6.
We have 6 plus 1.
7.
Okay, 7. Then copy the denominator, which is 3. And after that one class, so we can follow the 3 steps kaya na-convert naman ito siya into improper fraction. So, we're going to follow this step 1. Keep the first fraction the way it is. So, we have 19 over 4. Then we're going to change the division sign to multiplication. Then we're going to flip the second fraction so it becomes our reciprocal. We're going to flip, so magiging 3 over 7. After that one class, the step 2 is multiply the fractions. So we're going to multiply the fractions straight across, or numerator times numerator, or denominator times denominator. Okay, class? 19 times 3 we have
57.
57. Then after that, 4 times 7,
28.
okay, 28. Okay, class, because this improper fraction, so we're going to divide this one. We have 57 and 28. Okay, 57 divided by 28, we have 2. We have 2. After that, we're going to multiply. 2 times 28, 56. We have 56. And after that one class, we're going to
Subtract.
7 minus 1 class, we have
1.
okay, 1. So therefore, our answer is 2.
1 over 58.
Okay, very good. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, matawag ko isa ka student na mag-answer din as a here is fun. Okay, yes, just come here in front. like to solve this one. Okay, let's check the okay, we have 2 divided by 3 and 1/2. So the first thing na gibuhat niya is we convert niya ang mixed number into improper fraction. So we have 8, then she copied the denominator. Then after that, she proceed to the second fraction. We have 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, we have 7, then she copied the denominator. After that, na-convert niya ang mixed number into improper fractions, she followed the 3 steps. Okay? She flipped the first fraction, the way it is. Then she changed the division sign to multiplication. Then after that, she flipped the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. Then the second step is multiply fractions. She multiplied the fractions. Okay, 8 times 2 we have 16, 3 times 7 we have 21. Then step is simplify the result if needed. So wala na nag-simplify, it is because wala na yung number na pwede ma-divide sa ilaha. This is correct. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Since you already have understand on how to solve a simple fractions, whole number, and mixed number in division of fractions, and now let's proceed. Let's try to solve this one. Okay, for just like example, we have a problem here. You have 3/4 yard of pipe. How many pieces can you cut the pipe into if each piece is 1/8 yard? So we have here 3/4, then divided by 1/8. Class, are you still with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, eyes in front. Okay, what is the first step again?
If the first fraction the way it is, change the division sign to multiplication. Then make the second fraction so it becomes reciprocal.
We're going to keep the first fraction the way it is. We have 3/4. Then we're going to change the division sign into multiplication. Then we're going to flip the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. We have 8/1. And after that, class, what is the second step?
Multiply the fractions, teacher.
Okay, multiply the fractions. Okay, class, we have 3 times 8.
24.
Again?
24.
24. 4 times 1?
4.
We have 4. This is our final answer, class, or not?
No.
Okay, kung sa mga number na pwede man divide sa ila both sides. Like 4. We have
4.
Okay, we have 4. 24 divided by 4?
6.
We have 6. 4 divided by 4, we have 1 or 6. So therefore, how many pieces can you cut the pipe into if each piece is 1/8 yard? So therefore, there are 6 pieces of the 8 yard within 3/4 yard of pipe. Okay, class, do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, do you have questions?
None, teacher.
Okay, if none, let's have an activity. Okay, I will group you into 2 groups. Katong same lang dapat sa inyong group ganina. Na-remember pa ba ninyo yung groups ganina, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you're going to answer this one. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher. Not the teacher ang ayun.
Are you done, class?
Not teacher.
Okay, face your work here in front and choose a representative to explain your answer. Okay, who is the representative of group 1? Okay, so I am the representative of group 1. The direction is follow the following ways to use that individual fractions. And our problem is MJ, Jean, and Brian share 4/5 of a pizza. What fraction of pizza does each of them will get? So the first thing that we did is we listed the given numbers of the given fraction. So we have 4/5 as each of them as their share, as each of them will share, and then we divided this 4/5 into 3 since they are 1, 2, 3. And then in following the steps discussed by teacher kanina, we arrived at this one. Since it is a whole number, we turned it into a fraction muna. So we kept the 4/5 here, and then we kept also the division sign and also put 1 at the bottom as our denominator. The next thing that we did is we get the 4/5 and then change the operation into multiplication, and then we got the reciprocal of 3 over 1, which is 1/3, and then we solved it like ordinary numbers. So numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. 4 times 1 is equal to 4, and 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Therefore, our answer is 4 over 15, and the fraction of pizza that each of them will get is 4 over 15. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, who is the representative of group 2? Yes, Annalyn. Explain your answer.
Okay, so the work of group 2 is the problem is MG, Jean, and Brian share 4 over 5 of a pizza. What fraction of pizza
numerator. So it becomes 4/5 times 1/3. So our answer, 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So therefore, MG, Jean, and Brian get 4/15 each of them. Get pizza 4/15. Okay, let's check. Okay, the group 1, we have 4/5, then divided by 3 because there are 3 persons here. Then after that is they copy 4/5, then they put the whole number over 1. Then after that, nahimo na siyang fraction. Then they follow the step 1. They keep the first fraction the way it is. Then they change the division sign into a multiplication. Then they flip the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. After that, they do is multiply the fractions. We have 4 times 1, we have 4. 5 times 3, we have 15. And the step to simplify the result if needed. So, then hindi na siya kailangan simplify. There is no number na pwede ma-divide sila. Therefore, they got a correct answer. Okay, give them a 3 claps. Okay, teacher. Okay. Let's proceed. Here in group 2, we have 4/5. Then okay, they also got the correct answer. Okay, give them also a 3 claps for group 2. Okay, class, do you understand our discussion this morning?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, since you already understand our discussion, okay, class, always remember that in division of fractions, there are 3 steps on how to follow. We have the first step is keep the first fraction the way it is. The second step is we're going to change the division sign into a multiplication. The third step is we're going to flip the second fraction so it becomes a reciprocal. In simple fractions class, we're going to follow the 3 steps. And in the whole number class, it is let's put the whole number over 1. Then after that, if nakuha na nato answer, if you got an answer, so we're going to follow the 3 steps again. Okay, and in mixed number, the first thing that we need to do is we're going to convert the mixed number into improper fractions. Then after that class, if you don't convert it, so we're going to follow the 3 steps, which is keep the first fraction the way it is. Then we're going to change the division sign into a multiplication. Then flip the second fraction the way it is. Then after that, we're going to follow the step 2 is multiply the fractions. Then we're going to simplify if needed. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have questions or clarification about our topic this morning?
None, teacher.
Okay, if none, get your pen and I will distribute the answer sheet. And what we're going to do is to answer this one. Get pen and pass it backward. I will give you big clap. Teacher, yes. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Pass this front. Okay, class, get your notebook and copy your assignment. Okay, everybody kindly please
read the direction.
Work out the following using division of fractions. Follow the steps and give your answers as simplified fractions.
Okay, class, you're going to answer this one in your home. Okay, we will now start copying.
Done, teacher. None.
Okay, Ashlo pa, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Are you done copying your assignment, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, if you're done, okay, kindly please stand up. Dahil teacher, kayo ako na akong pigil. Okay, goodbye, class.
Goodbye.